Another exciting day of progress has unfolded at Spotify Camp Nou, where construction continues advancing across several key areas of the project. From major structural work on the compression ring to new facade installations, VIP interior developments, and ongoing concrete operations, activity remains intense throughout the stadium. Today's update reveals important progress both inside and outside the venue, bringing the vision of the new Camp Nou even closer to reality. We begin at the south goal, where activity around the compression ring continues to accelerate. Workers were preparing another major structural element of the ring, while crane TC2 was positioned for a new lift. Several crews were already working at height, preparing connections and assembly points for the next stage of installation. The compression ring is becoming increasingly complete, with each new element adding stability to the future roof structure. Around the south goal cores, work continues on multiple fronts. The structural framework is advancing steadily, while preparations are ongoing for future facade installation. Workers are also continuing interior finishing tasks, including wall treatments and surface preparation. Protective safety netting has expanded across several sections, indicating that additional exterior work will soon follow. The second cantilever remains one of the most active construction zones. Concrete block walls are now significantly more advanced, and several areas appear much cleaner and more organized than in previous weeks. With major wall construction progressing well, attention is gradually shifting toward future hospitality, circulation, and service areas. This section is expected to see major visible transformation throughout the summer. One of today's most interesting developments comes from inside the second floor of the VIP ring. While this level is less advanced than the first floor, significant progress is visible throughout the interior spaces. Drywall partitions continue to expand, creating the future layout of premium hospitality areas and private suites. Large glass installations are already in place across much of the floor, while workers continue preparing areas for future ceiling systems and technical installations. Back at the south goal, new ceramic facade panels have now appeared on the upper sections of the latest facade quadrant. Additional blue and purple ceramic llamas were installed, further expanding the distinctive appearance that will define the exterior of the new Camp Nou. With every new section completed, the stadium gains more of its future identity. The third diamond structure also showed noticeable progress today. Reinforcement work continues to rise across multiple sections, while new vertical elements are becoming visible throughout the structure. Workers remain focused on expanding walls and preparing future concrete phases. The overall shape of the building is now becoming much clearer than it was just a few weeks ago. Several core buildings around the lateral area remain highly active. Platforms, workers, and equipment are concentrated around these structures, where preparations continue for future facade systems and external finishing elements. Construction is advancing simultaneously both inside and outside the cores, helping maintain momentum across the project. The second diamond structure continues moving forward with floor slab preparations. Formwork panels have been installed across large sections, while crews prepare future concrete pours. Because of the complex geometry of these buildings, many components require custom fabrication before installation. Despite the complexity, progress remains steady. The first diamond remains the most advanced of the three diamond buildings. Roof construction continues progressing, with workers installing additional support elements and safety systems across the upper sections. Structural detailing is becoming increasingly complete as the project moves toward the next construction phases. This area remains one of the clearest examples of how quickly the project is advancing. As if the Riostra installation were not enough, another major lift took place at the north goal. A new XXL structural box was raised into position, continuing the assembly of the compression ring system. The operation once again demonstrated the precision and coordination required for these massive installations. Both goals are now showing continuous progress in the development of the future roof structure. Another important development took place in front of the Barca store diamond area. Concrete pouring operations were active throughout the day as workers continued creating new access surfaces. Fresh concrete was placed across sections of the area, helping shape what appears to be a future access route connected to the store zone. This section continues receiving significant attention and priority on site. Overall, it has been another highly productive day at Spotify Camp Nou. The successful installation of a major Riostra beam, continued compression ring expansion, new ceramic facade sections, VIP interior progress, diamond structure development, and ongoing concrete operations all demonstrate that work is advancing simultaneously across many critical areas. With construction continuing at an impressive pace, each new update brings the vision of the new Camp Nou closer to reality.